Welcome to Business Pilot, where we have your entire customer journey covered. From initial inquiry, through sales and all the way into contract. Now you can see every detail in one place, uploading key information, documents and media files. Set follow-ups, and when a job is sold, move it to operations seamlessly. It's easy to schedule individuals or teams using the diary or interactive schedule board. Business Pilot allows you to manage every aspect of the job, including installation. We even have an app for your installers. Finance management and even service calls are all managed within the same system, giving you a full 360-degree view of your business from beginning to end.
Hi, so I'm at the Fit Show today with Business Pilot, and I just want to kind of give you guys some feedback. So we introduced it to the business 9 months ago. We were kind of nervous about introducing something that we had no kind of knowledge or understanding of, and it's been a total game changer for us. We are so delighted with what it has done for us and how we've been able to transform our business in terms of getting information from the guys, from the systems, when we're in the office. I have it on my phone as an app now, and on a survey the other day, needed some information, was about to call the office, thought, I'll go on the app instead, found everything I needed, I was like, this is amazing, this is the game changer for us. So we are really, really pleased. It's made us more efficient and kind of more thoughtful as a business now. We think about, does that information need to be in there, how we're going to word it, how we're going to name it, what we're going to use it for, and it's helped us streamline. And now finding information is literally at our fingertips. So we're really, really pleased. So thank you, Business Pilot.